So one of the problems with writing books and Substack articles and everything else like that is like getting all of the information that you need from documents into the whatever you're writing. So what I've been working on is, well, first I guess should show you this. So what I've been working on is basically a retail version of Bloomberg Lite. So I've built all these commands in here so that you can basically see whatever it is you want to see. So let's just start with right chart, right? So if I wanted to put this chart into a Substack, I have to cut and paste it, save it, and then open the document and cut and paste it in and all that kinds of pain in the ass. So what I've done is I've made it so that I can go straight from my little Bloomberg retail version and cut and paste it directly into this little file here. So there, we got an Apple chart. What else would we want to look at? Let's look at like analyst reports. Yeah, I know I made this command purposely funny. So here's the analyst report source. Let's say I want to grab that. So I can do this. So there, I've now added that into what will be my Substack. And then we want to look at, let's look at the balance sheet data. Because here's the balance sheet. So let's say we want to grab just last year. So let's do that, and there it is. And let's say we want to see if anyone's selling this. Okay, so here it is, and you can see there is selling here. You can't really see it because there's not a whole lot of volume here, but let's grab this. Okay, and then what else would we maybe? Oh, how about share buybacks, right? I mean, this is what people care about. So let's look at the share buybacks for Apple. So here's the share buyback table. You can see like almost all of its net income for last quarter was went to share buybacks. So let's grab this, and let's say this is the only number we really care about. So I'm gonna do that. So here it is. So I've copied all this stuff that I want to put into Substack into one document. And now it's easier for me because I can actually like write in here, whatever I want. So this is blah or whatever. So hopefully this will make it easier to write stuff. I'm trying to think of what else you guys would care about, but anyways, so that's what I've been working on. And I don't know what to do about like this part of it, but I guess I can show you this too. So eventually, like I've built, this doesn't quite work yet, but I've built it out so that I can read a document and then pass it to an LLM and it'll tell me what that section means. But hold on, but let's ignore that for right now. Let's just say I want to grab something specific in this that I don't have a command for. Let's grab this. Like I don't really care about commercial paper, so I haven't written a command for this yet, but there it is. That's been added to my little document. So, but anyways, this is what I've been working on to make things a little bit easier for myself. But all right, that's it.